Hello everyone, this is Mariamal from Tamil Nadu. I am studying currently doing my second year BCSE in National Engineering College. This is our team project. I am sharing my experience on free MenStack development provided by WebStack Academy. So what we will see in this overview are the project overview, goals of internship, project requirement, architecture and design of MenStack, full stack development, MenStack, project implementation and conclusions. The overview. Over the course of 1 month, our internship focused on mastering mid-stack development. Then we will see HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and etc. HTML. HTML stands for a hypertext markup language. It forms the backbone of the World Wide Web, enabling the creation and formatting of a documents that can be viewed on the internet by web browser. Then CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is the language that used to design the web page to make it attractive. The reason for using this to simplify the process of making a web page presentable. Then JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile programming language commonly used for web development, enabling interactivity and dynamic content on website. React. React is an open source JavaScript library maintained by Facebook and community of a developer. It used for the building modern, interactive and efficient user interface for mobile applications. Then MongoDB. MongoDB is a open source document oriented database. It is categorized under the NoSQL database because the storage and retrieval of the data in MongoDB are not in the form of a table. Then Node.js. Node.js is an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. It is possible to use JavaScript as a backend, with JavaScript already being a popular choice for front-end development, application development around MERN. And goals of internship. The primary goal of the internship was to attain the proficiency in MenStack development, focusing on MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. We aimed to gain the comprehensive knowledge and practical experience in both front-end and back-end development using these technologies. Then project requirement. Here I have a list down the necessary tools that we are required to implement the project. VS Code is a text editor where we scripted the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. MongoDB is used to design a database schema, store the data connected to the backend. Node.js is used to import the standard library for a Java that works in backend. React is an important tool which make how website works and its applications.
This is Saranya from Tamil Nadu and I am studying BE second year in National Engineering College. This is the architecture and design of MenStack. In the left hand side we could see HTML or CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, which is nothing but the languages we used in the front end. In the middle we could see Express Web Framework, Mongoose, which is a Node.js web server. In the right hand side we can see MongoDB, which is used to maintain database. MERN Stack. MERN Stack, which is a collection of technologies that help developers build robust and scalable web applications using JavaScript. MERN, which stands for MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. We shall see about this. MongoDB. So, MongoDB is a NoSQL database where each record is a document that comprising of key value pairs, which is similar to JSON, JavaScript object notation objects. It is flexible and allow its users to create schema, database, tables, etc. Then Express.js. Express is a Node.js framework. Rather than writing the code using Node.js and creating loads of Node modules, Express makes it simpler and easier to write the backend code. Then React.js. React is a JavaScript library that is used for building user interfaces. React is used for the development of mobile applications. Then Node.js. Node.js provides a JavaScript environment which allows the user to run their code on the server. Full stack development, which refers to the development of both front-end and back-end portions of web applications. Front-end development. So front-end development, which is also known as client software, which is the visible port of website or web application, and it is responsible for user experience. The languages used in the front-end development are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Backend development. Backend development, which involves building the server side of web applications, and the most important languages included in the backend development are Node.js, MongoDB, and Express.js. Functionality. The functionality which is available in this project or display villa in homepage, search villa, can create and login account, forgot password option. Each villa has unique properties, can process it to payment, can also render our villas in my accommodation option, and etc. Project implementation. First, we need to install the necessary tools required for the project like VS Code, MongoDB, and Node.js. Then, design the database for storing the web page and the user data. After that, the basic structure of the project, which contains three main folders, namely front-end, database, and backend. Then, open the terminal and navigate to front-end, and then initialize the React app. Then install all the required packages. After that, open another terminal and navigate to backend and connect to the database. Then integrate both frontend and backend. After that, import state management libraries like React and Redux for managing applications. Implement all the features like login, sign up, checkout pages, and other functionalities. Conclusion. In conclusion, our MERN development internship has been an intensive and rewarding experience that has greatly enhanced our skills and knowledge in modern web development. So, over the course of 1 month, we immersed ourselves in MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, and building full stack web applications from scratch. I'm grateful for the guidance and support provided by WebStack Academy and mentor Richa Ranjit throughout this journey.
Hello everyone, I am Genga Lakshmi from Tamil Nadu. I am a student currently doing my BE Computer Science and Engineering at National Engineering College. Now let me give a demo on my project. So our project is to create a hotel booking for more like a reservation form like reservation website. My folder name is MERN, and first let me show you over structure of the MERN folder. So this is where we have a MERN folder. So we have a front end folder, database folder, and backend folder. In my VS Code I have already opened a MERN folder. And now let me start and let me show you my demo. We are in the MERN folder. We just have to navigate to front end folder. So let me just navigate to front end folder. Let me just navigate it to the front end using the cd front end command. Now we are inside the front end folder. So to start the front end, let me type the command npm start, and let me wait for the development server to start our publication. So it will take a while and we just have to wait for it. Yeah, there we go. Here we are now, our web application. Is running on the port 3000, and so since backend is not connected integrated with the front end, a web application source property not found. So we just have to the integrate a backend to the front end. So for that we just have to go to MongoDB and connect to a database. There is a home lookup, and we have all our database documents and other datas. We have to go VS Code and navigate to the backend folder. Now we just have to connect a backend to the front end using the npm start command. Yeah, the DB connection is successful. We can reload it, and now we can reload it now. Yeah, There we can see all the properties now. So our project is like we have to creating many hotels that are from different cities, and we are giving the user to book this that specific hotel on a specific date, and the number of guests to like it before like a reservation, um, and pay it through our publication. So let me tell you what are the functionalities we have used in our publication. So first let me tell you the database. So in the database we have given bookings. So bookings is the database where all the bookings details of the user, so where they have like so from which date to which date they have, from date to due date, like from when they are staying till and from their arrival to departure, and paying status is given here. The total price and property is nothing but hotel, and the user id is given here. So that the number of nights, like how many nights they staying, the number of guests, so it contains all the booking. And in the properties is where we have all the property details, like what are the hotels are available in our publication. And then properties, in properties all the details about it are given in the properties. And then user are nothing but how many users have login for our website. So currently one have sign up, only one user, like which is my own id. And now let me tell you the functionalities. So this is the search bar where we can search our desired location. So I want to search Goa, and I'm just giving a sample date from 18 April to 19 April, and I'm just searching. So there we go. So these are the two results that are in the Goa, that are available in 18 and 19 April for one night. If I want to look this, I can book this. So before doing that, let me explain you other functionalities. So in these functionalities, I mean like in this filter tab, we can filter out what are the amenities we needed in our hotel. So this is the bar, is where we define our desired price range. So this is the starting range and it is the ending range. So we can give whatever you want. So currently I am setting to 600 to 30,000. So these are the property type, like what is the property type we need, like house, flat, hotel. I choose guest house, and these are the room types, entire room and single room or any type. Amenities like Wi-Fi, AC, TV, free parking, kitchen, washing machine and pool. I choose amenities like Wi-Fi and washing machine, and apply filters. Yeah, there are property not found. Those filters, web application have no hotels are available, so I change it. One second. Refresh now. Yeah, I choose amenities like AC, kitchen, and apply filters. Yeah, there are one hotel is available in those filter. So now I just want to log in. So this is the login functionality where I can give my email id and log into my own account. But now I'm just going with a new user. So I'm just going to the new user and give my name Genga Lakshmi, the initial K, and my email id. I'm just using my college email id for this, since I have already used my personal mail id for testing this website. Okay, my password and password confirm, and phone number, register here. Okay, user login successfully. Once again, in my account, my Details are there. Genga Lakshmi K, my email ID and phone number. Once again log out to the account, checking whether it is logging in successfully or not. So again my mail ID and password. Yeah, there we go. It is logging in correctly. And if I go to my database and see refresh, there are 2 users, so this is the one I have created just now. So now refresh it. One second. Yeah, it have 2 users. It is now I am creating Genga Lakshmi K, my mail ID, password and phone number. Yeah, so this is how a backend works. So whatever the user details we give here, it will be updated in the backend. Now if I have log out once, and again if I have forgotten my password, I just need to reset my password. So that is where we use mail trap, and go to forget password and enter my mail ID, login, and it shows email sent. Please check your inboxes. To just we have to go to mail trap again and let me refresh it. I just have to go to my inbox. There we are. Just your password reset token is valid for 10 minutes. Here I can reset my password. So this is the request I have given in my front end, and now I am here. I can reset my password. So it is opening in another tab. Wait, let me update my new password. Password. 1 second. Password and password confirm. Set password. Password has been changed successfully. Second, refresh the page and enter and login again. Enter a mail ID and enter a new password. Login. Yeah, user has been logged successfully. Let us move to the booking form now. So I just decided to go to all for example, which is located in EA Chennai 6,01,119, which is located in Tamil Nadu. And so this is the description of the hotel I'm going to reserve. So maximum number of guests is 10. I can book up to 10 numbers of guests. And what are the amenities available are the kitchen, free parking on Wi-Fi, and where will I be. So here is the map, and where is the hotel located, and I can see it. We can zoom in and zoom out, look around the places, and there are some extra information about the hotel I'm reserving. And now here is the booking form, and there are also images available to see. Yeah, okay, now let us just book our hotel. Alvin, so I'm just going to give the same data for 18. No, I just going to give the date 23 April to 24 April, and the number of guests are let me say 5, and my full name Genga Lakshmi K. Okay, wait. Okay, I have given the credential, and I'm just booking this place for 3000, and let me give my card number, which is 4242, some dummy expiry date and CVV number, and I'm paying 3000. Let me just wait for a second. Okay, so this is something I have booked before, I think so. So this is my booking now. So this is how we book our hotel in a website. Now let me just go to my account, and I just here you can see there are no profile in my account. So I just really need to update my profile. Go to edit profile and just browsing here. So from the downloads, yeah, it is in the downloads, and I'm opening a image. I'm updating it profile updated successfully is the message that shows, and we could see the profile image I have uploaded, and in the Cloudinary we could see our uploaded image in the folder tab. Wait for it load, and go to folder and select avatar. Or this is the image I have uploaded a few seconds ago. So this is how Cloudinary works. So yeah, if you upload any avatar images in our uploads, it in his account it will be saved in the Cloudinary in avatar folders. Let's go to my accommodation. No accommodations are available, so we create a new own place, property name like GSM Palace, and address area like Kovilpatti, and city is Thoothukudi, and state Tamil Nadu, and pin code is 628 and 721. Photos, search photos to the Google and choose it one, and copy the image address and paste it to the photos. I'm adding same images in 5 times, so add, paste it and add. Then your description we give it is an amazing palace. It is a amazing palace. Yeah, property type like guest house, and room type like entire room. Then amenities, pool and washing machine, TV. These amenities are available in this palace. Extra information, pets are not allowed, and it provides meals and lodging, meals and other services. Second, yeah, no pets allowed, and that provides lodging, meals and other services. Okay, I give a random check-in time 10 to 5, maximum guest 10, and price per night is 1000, and then save. I have given my own accommodation. I am just renting it for like to the website. I am just renting it to a website. So if I go to the main page, if I go to the main page and navigated to the next page, there we have a palace. So there it is. So I have these 5 images I have uploaded, which are nothing but the same image, and in the description, so it is amazing palace, maximum number of guests like 10, and have as I have given, and this amenities, pool and kitchen, TV, automatically it gives the map, extra information. This is what I have given, and if I want to book it, I can book it. So this is how the amenities work. So for doing all these functionalities, we just have to give the credential in our config.env file. So it is here in the backend. So we just have to enter all the credential and that are in the websites. We are using like an Cloudinary. Yeah, it's loading. Okay, now move on the next website. Mail trap. Go to the inbox, and the inbox show the credentials. 1 second. Go to the inbox. Yeah, so these are in the credential we have entered in the config.env file. And then payments and home like API keys for developers. So these are the credentials we have given in our Cloudinary is here. So this is where we give our credential in our backend, and this is how it works. So we just like integrate all our websites like our own credentials into our project, and that is how we receive our mail or updating the avatar or the payment status. So that is how website works. So these are the functionalities we use in our home link of website. That's all. Thank you.